Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. This is episode 7, and we're gonna burn the ever-living shit out of things. Oh no, they've taken my technology and are using it against me. How will I defend? Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, I think I said this in the last episode. You could technically kill everything in this game with just your wrench. But guns are way funner. Let's see. Alright. Oh, it is still in this game. Hey. No, 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 no. Not happening, friend. Hey, friend. Catch this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Ooh, I jump over the fire. Ground pound. Ground pound, ground pound. Ooh, yes, all of the monies. And yes, I broke that again just because I could. Ground pound. Let's see. Let's go this way. Oh yeah, last episode we got the swing shot and completed that other planet because I keep saying it's Novalis. And we are on Iridia. So yeah, swing shot! Hoodia. Oop. Let that blow up. Ground pound. Camera, can you not take a shit on yourself? Like while I'm recording? Thank you. Huyon. Oh, that's so satisfying. I don't know what it is about me and explosions in video games, but they're so much fun. I mean, wait. Huya. Yeah, we don't do any of that aiming shit. You saw nothing. Yes. I shall return. Grab pound. What the fuck? Well, there goes my no death run. Okay, you all saw that bullshit, right? Well, I'm hoping you did if you're watching the video. I died so fucking quick. Yeah, most of the reasons I ever die in this game is mostly because of bullshit, or I fall. Or falling because of bullshit. I almost killed myself again. Oh, and I lost all the monies. Blow this shit up. Try not to walk off the fucking edge. We grab out. Because awesome. Oh yeah. Ah, an item. Sick. I think this is another gadget. Let's see. If I remember correctly, this game's love of bullshit. Yep, there it is. That one and the one from the other planet that's hidden like under the starting area, that's bullshit. Where do I go now? I forget. Fuck? Question mark? What do I do? Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to aim. Come on, take less time. There we go. Ground pound. Okay. Okay. Yeah, shut up. Alright, puzzle time. Fucking... Alright. Shut up. Alright. Now we just let that explode. Yes, 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 yes. Grab pound! Grab pound! Yeah, itch your nose. Excuse me. Why the hell am I sneezing so much today? God damn, I hate my allergies. I swear, I just sneeze once and like shit goes downhill from there. Grab pound. Ooh, y'all like that sexy ass combo? Ooh, how about that? How about that? How about that? Ah, son of a fucking bitch. I also like how all the enemies explode, no matter what they are. Grab pound. Now, if memory serves right, and it probably does, there should be the other gold bolt around here somewhere. Now that. Look at all that ammo it just ate up. Christ. Whoa! Yes, ground pounds are so fucking satisfying. I don't need any of that shit. Alright. Oh yeah, there's another thing that needs killing in here. Whee. Hey, people. If, well, I'm assuming that y'all play video games. Let me ask. Do you prefer to play with inverted cameras? So, like when you turn, like what I'm playing with right now, if you turn right, you turn left. But if you flick left, you turn right. So, which do y'all prefer? Like, normal? I'm using quotation marks here. Or, reversed. Now, let's see. The gold bolt should be around here somewhere. I'll get back to it. First I gotta do a thingy over here. Hello.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skid's agent.
Was Skid's agent. I haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skid McMarks.
Alright. So, now we're going to end this episode off. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to hit the like button. I don't know, something. Alright. Bye.